welcome back to my channel. Today we shall talk about, already you'll be knowing by seeing the title. Yeah, we'll be talking about patterns today. So I'm bored with printing all the single line terms using Python. So let's go something interesting today, okay? So first of all, I want these two patterns appearing on screen to be printed on my Python console. How can I do that? I can have like just print star new line and again 2 stars, again 3 and again 4. But don't you think it's such a boring process using the 4 print statements and new lines again and again? Yeah, it's a so slow process and also very boring process. Okay, so here comes the use of for loops. Okay, for firstly I have my number of rows to be 4. So for I in range 4 and also for j in range, this is the number of columns. This time I have I because I want the 1 star in the first row, 2 stars in the second row, 3 in the third one and 4 in the final one. So the corresponding rows and the corresponding number of stars are same, right? So I want, now I'll print, now again I'll have n, I'll have another print statement for a new line. Okay, now I'll run the program. Yeah, it has printed 1 star, 2 stars and 3 stars. But we have given range to be 4, right? Yeah, it has printed 4 rows. But just see here. Here we have no stars in the first row, okay? That is, as the range starts from 0, it ends only at 3, okay? So I'll give I plus 1 here. The maximum range to be I plus 1, which is 4. Yeah, this time it has printed the required output we want, right? So in the same way, you can change the numbers and print any number of stars you want in the form of forward right angle triangle. Now I also have a reverse right angle triangle, right? So for that, my number of rows will be remaining same, but here the number of columns, the number of stars will be changed. I'll have 4 minus I here and I'll explain it why I have used 4 minus I. Yeah, it has printed a reverse right angle triangle, right? The concept of 4 minus I is nothing but we want the range starts from 0, right? I starts from 0. In 0th row, we want the number of stars to be 4. That is 4 minus 0, that is 4. And in the first row, we want number of stars to be 3, 4 minus 1, 3. And the second row, in the third row, we want the number of stars to be 2, which is 4 minus 2, 2. And in the fourth row, finally, we want number of stars to be 1, which is 4 minus 3. So we have used 4 minus I here. Now, if I want 5 rows to be printed, I'll just change the 4 to be 5 in both places, okay? Remember to change the number of rows as well as the number of columns. Yeah, it has printed my reverse right angle triangle with 5 rows and 5 columns in this first row. Okay, in this way you can print patterns using for loop. Now I want this pattern to be printed on your Python console. I'll have this code in the comment section given below. You can go through that. But before seeing the code, just try it yourself. And also Python is all about practice and mastering your skills day by day. by doing some new projects as well as creative projects. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also if you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. And for new exciting Python projects and to learn Python for beginners, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.